Hi kiddos, this is Mr. D again, and I've got another tutorial instructions, this time for developing a fictitious film company logo. You're going to design one, come up with a name, and then animate it, add sound and so forth to it. First of all, what am I even talking about? What do you mean a film company logo? Well, let's take a look at a few. Now, these are professionally designed. And so we may not be able to do everything because you're going to use the techniques that you've learned in using animation in Photoshop. So you have to use your imagination. But this is what I'm talking about. Okay, like I said, those are professional logos. There are many YouTubes that you can look at to get examples. Excuse me. So now let's look at some that students have done in the past. Okay, let's go. Let's search for a couple of them. All right, let's look at this one. Let's see that again. Okay, there's one. There's an example. Let's do another one here. Okay, and let's look at some more that we have. And I have a few, I believe, saved here. All right.
Palm Tree Studios.
Okay, that's really good. Here's one. And one more. Okay, there's some examples for you. Now there's a PDF on my teacher page that has the sheet that I'd like you to print out and do the design work on. And so let's go there to my teacher page. It looks like this: Animated Film Company Logo Design Instructions. It's a PDF like we've been using. It says design a logo that will eventually be animated. Make up a name. It may say entertainment, productions, film companies, studios, pictures, or films. And there's, I'd like you to do 12 different original designs below. Sketch those out and then let me see them so I can approve and sign this. And then after approval, use Photoshop to create your animated logo. You may use any of the techniques that you have learned. Maybe combine them. Make that image file 16 by 9 inches and 72 pixels per inch. And then it's really important that you don't bite off more than you can chew. In other words, make sure you choose a design that you are capable of executing in Photoshop. Okay, so you have to be able to do it too. Okay, so you make sure when you're designing, you're thinking about that. And then when you've completed this logo, then you'll go to the next step, which is learning to edit in iMovie. And then as part of the iMovie learning process, you will import this logo into iMovie, add sound effects and or music to it. And then make sure you keep this paper because you're going to turn it in with the iMovie instructions and rubric. Okay? There you go. Have some fun.